Google Analytics default session duration could be polluting your data and hurting your business. And in this video, I'm going to show you why that may be and how you can change it so you can track your customers and visitors more accurately. Hello, my name is Jedi and welcome to my channel where I make videos on branding, marketing, and social media. If you're a small business owner or you find these topics interesting in general, consider subscribing. It's free and you have nothing to lose and you can cancel at any time. Now, I know you want to get on with how to change it, but first, I think it's important to understand what a session is and how it works, so you don't end up making a mistake of changing a setting that you really didn't need to have to change in the first place. Okay, so what is a session? In the most basic sense, a session is the group of interactions that a user took when they were on your website. So what are some reasons why a session might end? Google Analytics default session time is set to 30 minutes, so the main reason that a session ends is due to inactivity. A session can also end every day at 11:59 p.m. based on your account time zone. A session could also end if a visitor enters your website from a different referral source, in which case the latest referral source would be attributed to that new session. So why might you want to change the setting in the first place? Let's say a visitor enters your website and is looking around, but they get distracted and walk away from the computer. Or they open up a new tab on their browser and start comparing products or watching some review videos. After 30 minutes of inactivity, that session is over. So when they come back to the computer, Google Analytics will start a new session. Just one big problem. This new session won't have the source of the initial session attributed to it. Now, this might be fine if you're running a blog or something like that, but if you're running an e-commerce store and you're running ads, you need the most accurate data you can get your hands on so you can attribute the right conversion to the right session. Similarly, if you're selling high-ticket items and your prospects usually call before making a purchase, that phone call could easily take over 30 minutes. So if the session expires due to inactivity, when they finally make the purchase online, the conversion will not be attributed to the session that brought them to the website in the first place. Even if you don't have an e-commerce website, consider this. If you host videos on your website that are longer than 30 minutes, Analytics will by default attribute 2 sessions for that one user after the user finishes watching the video. That could really pollute your data. Okay, so how do we change this setting? Scroll down to the admin page, navigate to Properties, Tracking Info, and Session Settings. Here you will input your new session timeout duration. You can extend the session duration for up to 4 hours. Don't forget to hit save, and that's it. Alright, so that wraps up this video. If you have any questions at all, please let me know in the comments. I read and reply to all of them. And if this video helped you out in any way, please give it a like so that other people can find this information when they're looking for it as well. And please consider subscribing if you haven't done so already. It really helps out the channel and I would really appreciate it. So thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.